Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by enabling Remote Desktop on the PC you want to access. Go to Settings, System, Remote Desktop, and toggle it on. Once done, add the user account or group that will sign in and write down the PC name or its IP address for the connection. Make sure the Windows Firewall or Network Firewall allows TCP port 3389 and have the Remote Desktop app ready on your client device so you can initiate the session immediately. You now enter the PC name or IP into the Remote Desktop client and supply the user credentials. If you plan recurring access, save the connection profile for speed. Make sure to show options to choose display resolution, clipboard and local drive redirection so files copy seamlessly, and map printers if required. If the target is on another network, configure an RD gateway or enable network-level authentication for improved security before you click Connect to start the remote session. You're in control. Use the top connection bar to switch between full screen, resize the window, or send secure key sequences like Ctrl-Alt-Del. When finished, choose Sign Out to close the user session or disconnect to leave apps running. Use redirected drives and copy-paste to move files. If you can't connect, first verify the PC's IP, account credentials, and that network-level authentication settings match. Then confirm firewall rules and routing. Adjusting those usually resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.